Here is a recipe for a keto cheeseburger casserole. Ingredients: 1 pound ground beef, 1/2 onion, dice 1/2 cup diced pickles, 1/4 cup diced tomatoes, 1/4 cup diced lettuce, 1/4 cup diced cheese, 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon yellow mustard, salt and pepper to taste, 2 cups shredded cheddar cheese. Directions: preheat the oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius. In a skillet over medium heat, brown the ground beef and onion until the beef is fully cooked. Drain any excess fat. In a mixing bowl, combine the cooked beef and onion, pickles, tomatoes, lettuce, 1/4 cup diced cheese, mayonnaise, yellow mustard, salt, and pepper. Mix well. Transfer the mixture to a casserole dish. Sprinkle the shredded cheddar cheese over the top. Bake for 20–25 minutes, or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Remove from the oven and let cool for a few minutes before serving. Note: you could add some variety by including bacon or mushrooms to the recipe. Enjoy your keto cheeseburger casserole.